Okay, this is question number 3 in paper 2. A set of scores P1 until P5. That means we have 5 data in hand. Okay, this set of number has mean of 6. So we have x bar equals to 6. Standard deviation given as well. It is 2.3. So standard deviation is given 2.3. All right, next we need to find the sum of the score. Okay, the sum of the score, total P. Oh, so each data is represented by P. So therefore this one will be P bar, average of P. Okay, so how do we find average? Yeah? Average will be the total of the data P divided by N. N here is 5. It's equal to 6. That's the mean. So therefore, in order for us to find the total sum of the score, that will be 6 times 5. So we have 30 as our answer. We just found part A based on the information given. Next, find the sum of the square of the score. Okay, then for this one, we have to use the information of our standard deviation, because only standard deviation or the variance involve the formula that need to use the sum of the square of the data. Okay, so how do we find the standard deviation in the first place? It is square root of sum of the data square divided by n, in this case is 5, minus the square of the mean. So that is equals to 2.3. Actually, this kind of question normally asked in paper 1, but usually in form 4, we have not much question to ask, so some of the paper 1 question will be brought into the paper 2 as well. If you refer to the paper 1 of this set of paper, you will notice that one of the question, 20 something, is exactly have the same working like this. So for this one, let's rearrange everything. So we want to find the p squared. So let's put the square root over first. Then we will have 2.3 squared on this side. Okay, divided by 5 minus, what is our mean? Mean is 6, so minus 6 squared. Okay, what's next? Rearrange the whole data. So the total of p squared will equals to 2.3 squared plus 6 squared. And then after that, over here is over 5. Don't forget to multiply by 5 after we found the sum of this. So let's use the calculator. All right. Okay, so we have 2.3 squared plus 6 squared equals to, because we need to find the total first, then only we times 5. So let's times 5. The answer is 206.45. That is the answer for our sum of the square of the score. Okay, any more? Yeah, we have done part A1 and A2. All right, next we have part B. Now part B, each score is multiplied by 3. Okay, each score is multiplied by 3 and the 2 is added to it. That means let's write in general form like that. Now we have a new data. New data, let's call it V. Okay, all data is multiplied by 3. That means we will have every data multiplied by 3 and then plus and add 2. Now from here you should know this is a uniform changes to our data, and the multiplication and the addition or subtraction will have effect on the measure of central tendency, whereby only the multiplication has the effect on the measure of dispersion, which is the standard deviation and variance and range. Okay, let's see what does the question want us to do. We need to find the new mean and the new variance. Okay, so new mean, B part 1, the new mean of V will equals to 3 times the mean of U and then plus 2. All right. Therefore, what is the original mean? Original mean is 6. Original mean is 6, yeah? So, we take 3 times 6, then we plus 2. So, 18 plus 2, we have 20. Okay, then what about the new variance? The new variance. Now, variance is the square of the standard deviation. Therefore, we will have everything. So we got to square the new standard deviation. Okay, the new standard deviation is 3 times the original standard deviation is 2.3. 2.3, and then the whole thing squared. Or the formula will be the k squared times the original variance lah, but it's the same thing. So over here, what we do is we take 2.3 and then we times with the 3. That is our new standard deviation, and then we square it. That will be 47.61. That is our answer. 47.61. If we take another way, that is take 3 squared times with the 2.3 squared, we also get the same answer, 47.61. That is our new variance. Okay, that's it for question number 3.